Thank you everybody. Good evening once again. Hope you enjoyed your fridge amritsari and samosa. And now it's time to watch all the cultural programs. For those who do not know me, my name is Jeenia Banerjee and I'm one of the members of IPCA. Let me tell you that this is the first time of me emceeing, so sorry that you have to go through the pain for the next couple of hours hearing me out. So I apologize at the beginning. But I can confirm that all of our performers have really worked hard very well. They've practiced day in and day out, sacrificing their Saturday night parties, looking after their kids. So let's cheer for them throughout the event. In case if you are seeing any accidental viral moments getting created, cue dialogue bhule gache, ganar lyrics bhule gache, just pretend you have not seen anything and keep cheering louder to them. Yeah? Alright, without wasting further time, I would like to call upon the first performers for today. We'll start with our little champs, Khude Shilpira. They're going to perform on Rabindranath Thakure's Thakur Hawai Hawai. So let's cheer for them. Thank you.
তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে আমার আপন হারা প্রাণ আমার বন্ধুর ছেঁড়া প্রাণ তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে আগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে আগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে
What an amazing performance that was. Louder cheer for the little ones, please. Thank you, Mia, Neha and Rishika for the lovely performance. I would like to say a bigger thank for Neha because despite feeling unwell, she did perform. So, well done guys, very well done. Alright, so we move on to the next performance. And the next performance will be on Oshan Jokun Tokun from Boshok Kabila. So as Pudali said that today's theme is love and friendship, I can't think of any better song than this to suit our theme today. So let's watch out the performance next.